Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we come to show you how to extract juice from plum fruit. If you new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video. So let's go. To extract palm juice, first I took a rib palm. To recognize what is the rib palm, first you have to look on the mouth, it becomes red and then the body will be black. In the market there is many colors available, on red also black, but black color's palm is very tasty. Now I remove the mouth of the palm. You can see how to remove it. When you get a rib palm, it is very easier to remove the mouth. You can see it colors is red, means it is rib palm. Now I try to peel the palm. Like this, I first take a small one and peel it. If you get a rib palm, it is very easier to peel it. You can see it is very easier to peel it. So must think you have to take a rib palm. To recognize a rib palm, you have to see that palm's color will be black, not red. Now I peel all the palm like this. You can see how to peel it. Like this way you have to peel all the palm. You can see I peel off all the palm very smoothly. You can see now I peel rest of the palm. Now I separate this palm in 3 pieces. Now I take off the cover of this palm. You can see. After that I separate it into 3 pieces like this. You can see. Now we will loosen the palm by pressing it little. You can look how to press it and loosen it. Now we will soak them in water for 30 minutes. I take 3 glasses of water according to my palm. Now I soak them very well. You can see how to soak it. I soak it for 30 minutes. You have to take water according to your palm. If your palm is big, you have to take more water. Now I cover it and rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we came back again and we look into the palm. You can see all our palms soaked very well. Now I remove excess water like this. Now we will try to squeeze some juice from the palm. You see how to squeeze it little. You have to squeeze like this. You have to squeeze all 3 pieces of the palm like this. You can see that we extract little puree. Now we put them into a bowl. Also the juice we put into the bowl. Now we will take a first basket like this and I put one palm into it. Now we will rub it very well. You can see I put one piece and then rub it very well. Now we can look how much juice I can extract from this. You can see how much juice I can extract, and I take another one and rub it very well. We rub it till it become white. You can see we rubbed it till it become white. We will try to extract all the juice from the palm like this. You have to rub it and rub it again and again. You can see how much juice I can extract from 2 of these pieces, and I rub it again till it become white. You can see it become white, and I put it down and I take last one and I rub it again. Like this you have to rub all the pieces, and how much you rub it and it takes more juices. Like this way if you rub it, juice will be very nice. Now I will see you how much amount of juice I can extract from all 3 pieces. Friends, our palm juice is ready. You see how easily I extract juice from this palm fruit. With this juice you can make palms luchi or palms puri and palms cake also. So friends, if you like this video, please like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.